Okay, we're in San Diego, and it is a beautiful day. Beautiful day. Whew. I need to go back to my room and get some shorts on. Beautiful, beautiful. Finally, a day up top during the daytime. Here is the skywalk. So let's go ahead and take a walk. As you can see, the water is right down there. Ooh. And we'll go right back again. Over here are cabins. We're in San Diego today. It's a beautiful day. I hear it's dumping snow back where I live in Mount Shasta.
Look at Mr. Snowman. Yep, we are getting it big time.
But I am very happy being here. Okay. We are at the place where the movies are. So I think we're going to take a cruise around here. Walking, I mean. Whew. Great. Where's my sunglasses when I need them? I think there's another skywalk over there. Let's go over there and check it out. Nice. People just hanging out, catching the beautiful sun. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful day. Huh. Oh. Yep, here's another little skywalk. There. Here's people getting off the cruise here, off the ship, coming back on. It's 10:30 at night, 10:30 in the morning. Beautiful, beautiful weather. So it's looking very nice. Look at all those big buildings out there. Beautiful. Up. To go up. See if we can check out the sanctuary. Morning. Everyone's always so nice here. This is Sun Deck 17. So we are just walking here. It's 10:30 in the morning in San Diego. I hear back in Mount Shasta, California, where I'm from, Northern California, it is snowing. Snowstorm. Oh, it's good to get a break from that. All right. So let's go up one more level. See what's going on up at 18. I can't get rid of those airplanes, that's for sure. Woo! Here we go, the track. let's just run. Uh-oh, I better be in the walking lane. I am not gonna run. Oh, it's just lovely today. Lovely. You know what? I'm gonna see what the adults pool area looks like today. Do I need to go off the ship today? No, I do not need to go off the ship. Hi. Yeah. People are starting to relax, not be so mean as they were on the first day. The walkers are in the jogging area and the running area. Not good. This must be the back of the ship. Well, I'll just walk around the whole way and go back to the front. Get some exercise in. After those juices I had, just looking at my time. After those juices I had, I'm full of energy. That ginger shot was amazing. We definitely need that. And the juice bar is in the buffet area, and they juice it fresh. Different things like cucumber and greens to boost your immunity, to detox you. And I highly recommend it. If you get the Plus or Premier package, it's free. Other than that, the drinks are between $8 and $12. And I'm telling you, I had a few too many drinks last night. I woke up today and went to the juice bar, had a shot of turmeric ginger juice, and 2 other drinks, juice drinks. And I am feeling 100% better. I am feeling really good. It's too bad it took to day 3 to find it. But like I said, I highly recommend you check out the juice bar. It's a wonderful, wonderful. And you know what? When you're only on a 5-day cruise, you need to make sure that you use every single second the best way you can. And when you're feeling good, you can do a lot more stuff. Okay.